Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the main oven lamp in this hotpoint cooker. This procedure is very straightforward and should be similar for most other brands of cooker. Before starting work, it's important to turn the cooker off at the wall and make sure it's disconnected. And if you can't unplug it, then it's also a good idea to turn the cooker off at your consumer unit with all your trip switches. Now the lamp is fitted behind this glass cover at the top of the cooker cavity. And so to get to it, we need to remove the glass cover cap. So I'm going to move the camera in and show you how to do that. So it's a very simple case of unscrewing this glass lens off of the housing. This may take a bit of force to come off if it's not been off in a while. And I know with some brands like Bosch, Siemens and Neff, you can buy a tool to remove the lens cover if yours is stuck on solid. So now we've got this lens cover off, we can put that to one side, maybe a good idea to clean it. We can unscrew the old lamp. Same direction as the lens cover, of course. It just unscrews and comes out of its socket like so. You can see this one has well and truly blown apart. So now it's just a simple case of lining the new lamp up in the holder and screwing it in. Obviously don't screw it in too tight, don't screw it up too hard. The thing is only glass and it will almost certainly break. Once the lamp is in, you can replace the lamp cover. Which again screws in just like that. So now you can turn your power back on and set the clock, of course. I'm just going to set it like that for the minute, and then you can turn your oven on. Ta-da! You have light. If your lamp will not come out of the lamp holder, you may need to take the oven out and take the back off and take the holder unit out of the cooker. It will push forward into the main cavity. You will then be able to get a better hold of it in order to take the glass off, and this normally always works. If you can't get it off, you'll probably need to buy a whole new holder. I'll put a link in the description to the Bosch, Siemens, Neff lamp glass removal tool, which may be useful. I don't know if any other manufacturers offer anything. I'll have a look, but otherwise sometimes putting a tea towel over the lens cover helps to grip them if they won't come off. That's the end of that. Thanks for viewing. Hope you found this video useful. Goodbye.